Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a CSS drop-down menu, part of Web Technologies course. A drop-down menu in CSS is a navigation menu that is hidden by default and appears when a user hovers over or clicks on a button or link. It's commonly used to display a list of subpages or subcategories within a website. Here is an example of building a basic CSS drop-down menu. In this example, an unordered list is used to create the menu, with each menu item, Li, being a list item within the unordered list UL. The display none is used to hide the submenu UL within the Li by default. The hover pseudo class is used to display the submenu when the user hovers over the parent menu item. The position absolute is used to position the submenu absolutely so that it appears in the correct location when it's displayed. You can also use JavaScript or jQuery to make the drop-down menu responsive. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.